Right, 23 best stocks to buy in 2023 according to UBS as global growth slows. What are they? Well, those are the names. Let me go through it and tell you which are on my approved filtered list. My approved filtered list, as you will know, is 10,000 companies we go through and then we filter for valuation, growth, income, cash flow until we squeeze that down to a very, very small number. Are any of these on there? We shall find out in a second. So what do UBS think is going to happen with these? Before we go into that, don't forget to like, follow, share, repost, subscribe to all of those things to keep in touch with all the future videos I'm going to be posting as part of my campaign for 1 million to teach 1 million people how to be better investors. AMD, upside UBS price target, would give you a 39% return. No, 39%, not too bad. They've got a thesis for that. Obviously, semiconductor demand is high. Insurance, I like the insurance sector generally. Allstate, 17% to the upside. Not really much to write home about, is it? 42% in the case of Array Technologies. You can see the others, 55%. Cheniere Energy. Well, a lot of people saying energy's had its day now and shouldn't be a sector we look at in the year ahead. 16% is not enough on the upside for me with Constellation Brands. DR Hodden, 23%, not enough. I need a 40% return. Dell Technologies, okay, they've got it at 43%. We'll see if it fits my bill in a second. Dicom Energy Industries, 41%. Now remember, I want a 40% hurdle. It needs to be a 40% return in a year. Otherwise, it's not enough for me, my SIP, my ISA, my pension. Encompass Health Corporation, they've got 21%, doesn't meet my criteria. 56% for Endeavor. Would meet my criteria. Does it meet my approved filtered list based on value, growth, income, and so on? Let's see. GitLab, 27. Sorry, not enough. Hershey's, love the products, but 14%. International Flavors and Fragrances, 17. Not enough. 240%. Yeah. And therapeutics, I've come up with quite a few healthcare companies of my own. Chimera Therapeutics, we'll come to that in a second to see if it makes my list. Nike, 29%. Not enough. Sorry. Perking Elmer Healthcare, 70%, not enough. Southern, not enough. Sun Communities, not enough. Target, not enough. Yum Brands, know them well. They're the ones who own KFC and those kinds of things. 16%, not enough, I'm afraid. Zebra Technologies, now this is Technology Electronic Equipment Instruments. 77% would be the return you're getting. Worth keeping an eye on. And finally, Zillow, 47% would work as well. Do any of them make my approved filtered list? Because if they do, it'll save me a lot of time, energy, and effort. We'd just get the confirmation from US, wouldn't we? Drum roll, please. I'm afraid none did. Sorry, none did. My criteria are firmer than that. Have a look at my campaign for 1million.com to learn more about how you can be a better investor by understanding how to pick stocks based on value, growth, income, cash flow, having all those filters in place so that you're picking on even more stringent criteria than those used by investment banks like UBS. Campaign for 1million.com. Don't forget to like, follow, look at the links in the bio. Thank you all very much.